Yo, what's up guys? I'm back again with another video. Survival tayo guys. So, nag-spawn tayo sa may desert. Pero may rin kagad ako nakitang tawag dyan, pyramid. So, pupunta natin yan pero wala tayong puno. Kaya, burakan na lang natin yung guys. Tara. Bago tayo magsimula, subscribe muna kayo and like the video. Okay, let's go. Punta natin to guys. Baka may makuha tayo ditong magandang loot. Kung na lang kayong santong paakyat. Thank you. Marami natin yung ganito guys. Oh my god. Oh, 2 trim, that's crazy. Pwede nyo throated kasi kailangan mo. Oh my god! Oh, I have 3 diamonds. Oh my god! I have 1 bro. That's crazy. Oh my what the heck guys? What? This is the best loot bro. This is the best loot so far. I'm not gonna I'm gonna get the TNT. Okay. Bro. Okay, wait lang. Kaya ko to. That's it. Guys, I'm him. Hi guys, let's go find some tree. I got 5 diamonds and 2 iron. I think we're so far so good guys. Alright, let me find some tree. I'm gonna fast forward this guys because this is taking so long. So yes. Oh guys, I found some tree. Oh my god. Guys, I found some. This is not tree bro, but there's a tree in this too. Finally bro. This should be enough. I'm gonna craft this and this. Now I'm gonna craft a shield. Also, maybe not sword. Bruh, I'm gonna. No. We have a plan. So. I know we don't have a plan, bruh. Nah, bruh, Ramadu. So I'm gonna make this and ito, tapos axe ito. Okay guys, I get yan. Ako na ba itong lutuin ko guys? Ito siguro na. Let me get some wood. Let me get some more wood because maybe I'm gonna run out some wood. This wood, right? Yeah. find a plains biome. I need plain biome. Not this, bruh. I don't want this, bruh. I don't want this. Wait guys, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh my god. God guys, oh my god, wala pa rin. Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna freaking crash out, wala pa rin. Supposed to do. Romad, I'm lagging, bruh. What? Bro, what am I lagging for? Bro, it's night time, bro. I don't wanna die fast. Okay. So we got stone. Boom. Oh my god, let me create this. Wait. Okay guys, we got torch. Bro, ano din the piece of crap. My god. I need some village or plains biome. Magandang gabi. Wala makita. Nagpo-force naman ba talaga? Guys, napakalaga ko, tain eh. Grabe yung kalma. Bro. Bro, sand again. Bro, nagulat ako sa kanila. Na no way na makakalabas ako dito ng makapunta ako dito ng plates. Puro mangrove na. Bro, no way. Dami pang zombie man. I'm not playing this. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Rocket this. Okay, dito na ako. Guys, so guys, hanggang dito muna yung video guys. Hindi makakarap ang village guys. So sa part 2 baka makaharap ako ng village. So see you guys in the next one. Subscribe kayo, mag-iwan ko ng like para ma-update kayo sa aking mga pupost na video. So bye bye guys, peace out.